So I finally did the Glass Skin makeup tutorial. So you can see I have some dewy effect glass skin movement on my cheeks, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So if you want to know how I created this look, please stay tuned. already filmed this kind of makeup tutorial maybe 3 times already. If this is not the 3rd time, this is probably the 4th time. And I always have an epic fail when I check the films. And I hope that this time you enjoy this because I really loved how it turned out. It's really glass skin and I'm really happy. I think that pretty much it has achieved that glow without looking like you're gunky. You're not looking like you're drenched in oil. So I really enjoy this. It feels like I woke up with a very good skin day today. So I hope you enjoyed this and see you again in my next film. Please be safe and don't forget to wear a mask if you need to go out. Thanks guys, see you again. Bye. I probably will never get over the K-drama because it just gives me an escape. So currently I'm watching Her Private Life and still all that glass skin thing going in there. I think every K-drama will probably have this kind of makeup look and it just makes you want to really invest a lot in your skincare. And I personally promote that you take care of your skin and your overall wellness. If you want to know my skincare, I will link them here. And also, if you're someone who wants to know more about some Korean dramas that I recommend, please click the links that I will put in the description box. I also had a segment with my friend Jiki regarding our top 5 favorite Korean dramas. I hope that you guys click the links below.